surface flows up there. So you probably did see some, yeah, it comes and goes. The surface flows are very random. So does anybody have any idea where they are now? Hawaii, good answer. The Big Island. Yeah, we get some air back there. Your wings are above your head. For beefsteak trees. And this area right here was a Puerto Rican camp. Right, this is a private road, but the road was put in by the Mission State Director. And well, that's the other half of my job. If you're really interested, you might try Harper's. I know they want you to top them on occasion. We call them canoe plants. They were brought over on the double-hulled sailing canoes. So we have natives, canoes, and exotics that we'll be talking about. Sugarcane workers as windbreaks for the sugar fields, just right here. So these guys are probably about 100 years old, somewhere in there.
In my youth, way away, mama. There is a legend told
Share that area down by the
about the rain
where the
in
wedding
old
spot was, where the horse people had their lunch. And then that next stop under the macadamia nut tree is where they
A stranger came one day and by the Hilo Bay stayed to find the maiden of his dream. And when he found his love, the skies above Hawaii turned into cloudless bloom everywhere, and flowers breathed perfume in the air. Their love was like a thrall that covered all Hawaii.